Hello everyone. How to install MetaHuman Animator in Unreal Engine 5. And we right key so we can see the MetaHuman Animator in our scene. So we need to click the fab and we type the MetaHuman and we choose this one, MetaHuman polygon, because I have saved to my library. So we need to click the views in launcher and we found the fab library here and we type with the MetaHuman. Install to engine. So we install. Yeah, we come back and we right click and we still can find the MetaHuman Animator here because we need to open the polygon. We type the MetaHuman and here you can see the two of MetaHuman. We choose this one, MetaHuman. Okay, we click the yes and restart. And now we right click so we can see the MetaHuman Animator. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.